This tutorial is going to show you various ways to share data and documents from the My Data Diary tool. From any individual page, the simplest way to share information is to print a page or create a PDF of that page. But that will not actually share the documents on that page. That will only share the information and only the information that is visible. So you need to make sure that you unhide all of the information that you would want to see. And from that point of view, you can share the information on a particular page, either by printing, selecting the printer that you would want to send it to and print, or you can create a PDF document that you'll want to save this into your document transfer folder, and we'll call this Profile Data Jim. As a reminder, if you want to share a particular document, you can navigate to that document. And if I want the legal document, I can view it and make sure it's the one I want. I can then download that document. It's going to put it into the documents folder on my USB drive. When I navigate to that documents folder on the correct USB drive, there is the birth certificate for Jim. From here, I can open and print that document. I can upload it. I could email it if I'm comfortable doing so, or I can save it to another digital location on my computer. Remember, you don't want to leave anything in the document transfer file folder, as when you close the tool, it will delete all the contents in that folder. If you want to share information and documents from a page, you want to go to the Printing and Sharing tab and create a custom report. In this case, we want a custom report for Jim. Select your people. You want to indicate which section we want, and for this one, we'll just say the profile. I want to show sensitive data, so this will unhide social security number, those types of driver's license number where they are hidden, and I want to show documents. If I then create this report, you can see that this report will be generated showing sensitive data and with the documents right in line. Once you've previewed that your report is as you want it, you can print it. You can download a PDF into your document transfer folder, or if it isn't quite what you would want, you can close that report and either clear your selections or add more. If you wanted to do the same selections for another person, I can select for Mary, unselect for Jim, show the profile report, and create the report. In this case, we've not actually entered very much information for Mary, and I can close the report. If I select a report for Mary and Jim and create the report, it will show me that I have information for both Jim and Mary. It will provide me with Jim's information first and then Mary's information. If you want to create a template for Mary, and I'm going to show here, I want to show blank fields for Mary and create a report. Where I said before that I hadn't entered very much information for Mary, this essentially creates a worksheet for someone to enter information by hand that you can then type in later. This often works when you're helping a family member who isn't as comfortable with the computer. You can print this report for them. They can then use that piece of paper to enter in the information that you can then type into the tool at your convenience. If you wish to share documents only, you can go into the document library. You can indicate which documents you want to share. In this case, I'm just going to create a report of both the legal and hospital birth certificates for Jim. I'm going to create that document report, and I'm going to download a PDF, and I will call this a birth certificate report. If I now go to the document transfer folder and open the birth certificate report, you can see that it will create a report with each document on one page. You can then print these documents, save them as a digital file, email them, copy them to another USB drive, and share this information however necessary. And be sure to close your report by clicking the Close Report button when you are done. So in summary, to share information and documents from any page in the tool, you can print the visible information from that tool by clicking the Print button or creating a PDF, but that will not save the documents. To save an individual document, you can come in here, find the document you want, and download that document to your document transfer folder, or you can use the custom reporting capability to create a report for an individual person with multiple selections, multiple people with multiple selections, showing only data, all data, including sensitive data, all data and documents. And if you wanted to create a document only report, you go to the document library to select the documents that you would wish to create a report for, and then create a document report that you can then print or create a PDF. Lots of options to share data and documents from the My Data Diary Plus tool.